Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about my relatives. My name is Anju Maratoa. I live in Dhaka, but my family is from Mirkanda in Mymensingh. My grandparents and many of my relatives still live there. When I go to my village, I feel very happy. My grandparents tell us stories about our family and about the history of Bangladesh. My cousins are my best friend. The aunts, no, sorry. My aunts and uncles are very honest and kindness. We talk with our relatives and learned about our family and about the history of Bangladesh. I am so grateful for each member of my relatives. I love my relatives very much. Thanks for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটের 3, ব্লক কে।